Sister, sister, who took away my healthy food? Left behind for me this dirty stale junk food. Sister, sister, who took away my healthy food? Left behind for me this dirty stale junk food. They wanted to stay healthy and do really good work in life. If they eat this dirty food, they would absolutely fail in life. That is why they took away your healthy food. Left behind for me this dirty, stale junk food. Hey guys, eat well, eat good food whenever you eat. Eat good food and healthy food, that's what you all should eat. Don't eat open, dirty food, and don't you ever eat junk food. Eat when you are hungry, and when you are hungry, you surely eat.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya from 1D. Today I will speak on food safety. So we do not fall ill, we are strong and healthy. Always wash raw fruits, veggie before cooking. Yes, yes. Always wash raw fruit, veggie before eating. Yes, yes. Always wash your hand, utensils and plates before cooking or eating. Always eat thoroughly cooked food. Always thoroughly eat hot food. This will make you fit and make you feel all good. Always keep raw meat separate. Always chill food and refrigerate. Oh, one more thing. Never eat the food dropped on the floor. Chee, chee. Never eat the food dropped on the floor. All 5 keys are open the healthy door. All 5 keys open the healthy door. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Adya Kriti. Today is 7th of June. Do you know which important and special day is today? Well, today is World Food Safety Day. Do you know importance of this day? Well, food safety means that anybody eats any kind of food. It should not cause harm to anyone in any way. Everybody has a right to safe and nutritious food. Over 600 million people get sick because of eating contaminated food in 1 year all over the world. Do you know kids are also included? Do you know that foodborne diseases are preventable? Remember the 5 keys to save food. The first key is wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to avoid cross-contamination. The second key is keep raw and cooked food separate. The third key is cook food thoroughly. The fourth key is keep food at right temperature. The fifth key is use safe drinking water and safe food ingredients to make or prepare food. Be conscious. Make everybody conscious around you. Remember, food safety is everybody's business, even yours and mine. Thank you.
Hello everybody, Rudrakshi, did you know today is the World Food Safety Day? Yes, Rishita. It is a global campaign since 2019. It is celebrated due to coronavirus pandemic to aware people about the food safety. Oh, I see. Do you know who are the people who contribute in food safety? food safety is the responsibility of all stakeholders. Oh, and what are the different ways by which we can prevent foodborne illnesses? The first and the most vital way to fight foodborne illness, one has to wash their hands before and after a meal. Oh, that's correct. And Aisha, can you give us some other ways to prevent foodborne illnesses?
Yes, we need to safely because more than 20,000 lives are destroyed every year because of food poisoning. And second way to reduce foodborne illnesses, washing fruits and vegetables before eating to keep them safe.
Oh, that's interesting. And Kritika, can you help us a little bit more by telling which organization started the World Food Safety campaigns in India?
Why not, Rushita? World Health Organization is trying to mainstream food safety in India. And another way to avoid foodborne illness is to check the temperature of your food.
Oh wow, Kritika. Now, let's pledge for a healthier and happier environment and let's mainstream food safety in India.
Happy World Food Safety Day!
Every year we celebrate World Food Safety Day on 7th of June, raising awareness that safe, healthy and nutritious food is everyone's right. Unsafe food containing germs can cause many diseases, ranging from diarrhea to cancer. Do you know an estimated 600 million people around the world still get sick from eating contaminated food and 420,000 people die every year and children are also affected by these diseases. The good news is that these diseases are entirely preventable. In this day, we want to inspire everybody to help prevent foodborne diseases. Food safety is a shared responsibility between the government, the producer and the consumer. Food safety is needed today for a healthy tomorrow. Now I will tell you about the 5 ways to safer food in at the home. Number 1. Use clean water, safe ingredients or raw material. Number 2. Wash hands, utensils and surface when preparing meals. Number 3. Cook food thoroughly. Number 4. The foods like fish and meat should be kept in a safe temperature. Number 5. The raw food should be kept separated from the cooked food or the colored food. So we must remember that food safety is everyone's business. We must get serious about food safety. Happy World Food Safety Day. Thank you.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Amrita Ma'am, others ma'ams and sirs, good morning. Here we Shamadrita Chaudhuri, Khushi Prasad and Shweta Ghosh, all from 7C and D, are presenting our views on World Food Safety Day, which is being celebrated today on 7th June 2021. A 1981 incident disaster in Spain killed over 600 people, which is thought to have been caused by contaminated colza oil. Although the symptoms initially looked like a lung infection, antibiotics were ineffective. In China, 42 people, mostly school children, died after eating poisoned food from a breakfast shop in the city of Nanjing. More than 300 were also seriously injured. Investigation found a man who was said to have deliberately poisoned his rival shop's food. Back in our country, in July 2013, at least 22 students died and many more fell ill at a primary school in the Saran district of Bihar after eating a midday meal contaminated with pesticide. Above 3 cases are just piecemeal of thousands. Such incidents are happening around the world, especially in the third world countries. Above 3 incidents are example of violation of basic food safety measured by those who are in charge of serving food to masses. Almost 1 in 10 people in the world fall ill after eating contaminated food and 4,20,000 die every year. Sensing the seriousness of the issue, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed in 2018 that every 7th June would be World Food Safety Day.
Good morning everyone. Today, as we know, is World Food Safety Day. World Food Safety Day, WFSD, celebrated on 7 June, aims to draw attention and inspire action to help prevent, detect and manage foodborne risks, contributing to food security, human health, economic prosperity, agriculture, market access, tourism and sustainable development. Through the World Food Safety Day, WHO works to mainstream food safety in the public agenda and reduce the burden of foodborne diseases globally. Food safety is everyone's business. Thank you.
Safe food today for a healthy tomorrow. World Food Safety Day, celebrated on 7 June 2021, aims to draw attention and inspire action to help prevent, detect and manage foodborne risks, contributing to food security, human health, economic prosperity, agriculture, market access, tourism and sustainable development. In December 2018, cognizant of the urgent need to raise awareness to all levels and to promote and facilitate actions for global food safety, the UN General Assembly designated 7 June as World Food Safety Day. This year's theme, Safe Food Today for a Healthy Tomorrow, stresses that production and consumption of food has immediate and long-term benefits of people, the planet and the economy. Recognizing the systematic connections between the health of the people, animals, plants, the environment and the economy will help us to meet the urgent needs of the future.
We all have to remember that food safety is everyone's business. This year's theme, Safe Food Today for a Healthy Tomorrow. On the World Food Safety Day today, especially in a world already ravaged by COVID-19, let us take the pledge to take all the care on food safety hereafter. This is more so because we know disaster or catastrophe due to unsafe food hits the poor most hard, and our Mother Earth has more of them. Let us take the pledge today to make the world fully safe for ourselves, especially for the poor. Thank you all and good day.
Eating this packaged food?
Because I like it and it's really tasty.
But do you know it contains some harmful items that can harm your health?
But it is so tasty, I can't avoid it.
There are also some tasty items that you would like to eat.
What are those tasty items?
They are healthy items, sister, like this almonds and sprout.
Yeah, they look tasty.
You should eat it, but first of all, you should wash your hand.
What are the harmful things present in packaged food?
Sister, items like BPA, Benophilium A, sodium, refined vegetable and seed oil are harmful for our body. They present in packaged food. We should not eat pizza, burger and fries and chocolates also. They contain fats. They can harm our body. So, we should always eat healthy food that are made in home.
Now, I have understood about food safety.
Well done. Reheat cooked food immediately and again. Store cooked food carefully. All kitchen surfaces clean. Most
most important point, wash your hands carefully and cleanly for 20 seconds.
Good morning everyone. I am Shinjini Konar of class 7H here. Today I am going to speak a few words regarding the International Food Safety Day. The International Food Safety Day, as we all know, is celebrated every 7th of June, raising awareness that food safety is the right of everyone. Till today, more than 6 million people are getting sick due to the eating of contaminated food. The children below the age of 5 are not able to have proper nutrition and thus they are getting sick. The foodborne diseases are also a major problem for the missing of schools of children and the work of adults. We should always keep this in mind. Save food for today for a healthy tomorrow. We should also remember these points. Ensure it safe, grow it safe, keep it safe, know what's safe, and team up for food safety. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Ramani Dev. Today I am going to tell something about World Food Safety Day. The World Food Safety Day is celebrated on 7th June to draw attention and inspire action to help prevent, detect and manage foodborne risks, contributing food security, human health, economic prosperity, agriculture, market access, tourism and sustainable development. This year's theme is Safe Food Now for a Healthy Tomorrow. So thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. I am Tiyasha Odhikari from class 7 section G from GB Model School, Durgapur. I am going to resemble this project on Food Safety Day, that is on 7th June. I have tried to make a proper chart on what should we eat and what we should avoid. Like first, eat carbohydrates. It will provide you energy. We should eat carbohydrates that provides us a lot of energy. And sources like wheat, bread, cereals we should also take. Take medium amount of vitamins which will protect you from diseases. We should also take vitamins which will protect us from many diseases like fruits, vegetables. These are all the sources. Eat proteins in adequate amount. It will help you to grow. We should also take proteins that will help us to grow, like the sources like fish, meat, egg, milk, etc. Take fats in very less amount. It will keep your body warm and absorb nutrients. We should also take fats but in very less amount. It will help us to keep our body warm and it also helps us to absorb various nutrients. Do not eat uncovered food, eat covered food. We should avoid uncovered food. We should eat covered food. Eat hot and well cooked food. We should also eat warm, hot and well cooked food. And next coming to the avoid eating packed food. We should also avoid eating packed food. We should not eat packed food like chips, chocolate, cake, etc. Avoid eating junk and deep fried food. We should also avoid eating junk food and also deep fried in oil. Eat fresh and properly washed vegetables and fruits. We should also eat fresh washed vegetables. And also lastly, we should conserve food. We should conserve food because food gives us many things. So we should conserve it. Thank you everyone.